Hi everybody! Today we are going to talk about how to use crystals to manifest whatever you want. In this video we're going to talk about which crystals are best for manifestation, how to set an intention for your manifestation, and then what the hell do you do with them. If we haven't met before, my name's Molly. I'm a crystal healer, a trauma-informed Reiki master teacher, and a yoga and meditation guide, and I'm all about demystifying these practices so that you can shift and sense your own energy and heal on your own terms. So if that sounds like something you're into, go ahead and subscribe and let's get into it. 3 go-tos for any kind of manifestation are clear quartz, green aventurine, and citrine. These 3 across the board are going to help you with manifesting whatever you want. Clear quartz is an amplifier of energy, so when you put your intention into what you want to manifest, clear quartz is going to help amplify that. Citrine kind of works the same way. It also helps to tap into this energy of joy and passion, which is really where your manifestation starts to flourish. And then green aventurine is great for abundance, which who doesn't need more of that? And especially when you're manifesting, you want to bring in this abundance of what you want, this abundance of energy to help you reach your goals. Any of these 3 will help you do the job. If you have a specific intention, you may pair 1 or all 3 of these with a crystal that matches your intention. For instance, if you are wanting to manifest money or career success or financial success or business success, pyrite is a great option. If you want to manifest love, then maybe rose quartz or rhodonite or rhodochrosite. If you're working on a creative project, say you're writing a book or doing a big art project and you want to manifest more creativity or release a creative block of some kind, I would choose maybe carnelian. If you are manifesting anything related to school, studying, learning, or anything you need to really focus on, perhaps you pair one of these with fluorite. If you're looking to manifest more relaxation, calm, or peace, maybe one of these with amethyst or lepidolite. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a download below where you can get a list of intentions and crystals that might match it so that you can find the best fit for you. Great, now that you've chosen which crystals you want to use, how the hell do you use them? So I'm gonna walk you through 4 different methods to manifest with your crystals. The first is to make a crystal grid using your intention and using the crystals that match that intention. A crystal grid is simply a group of crystals placed in a specific way to meet a particular intention. So you start by choosing one crystal to be your center point. That could be one of these 3 crystals or one from the list below, or whichever one you feel most called towards when you hold that intention in your mind. From that center point, you can start to build your grid around it. So you can place crystals in a circle, you could use any sort of sacred geometry. Really go with your gut here. There's a lot of different ways that you can do a crystal grid. My best advice to you is go with your gut, have fun with it, and just place crystals in a way that feel right to you. If you want a more detailed walkthrough of how to do a grid, I do have a link to my beginner's crystal crash course below where I go in depth. The next option to manifest with your crystals is to journal what you want. Now, you could use a crystal pen. This one has clear quartz, citrine, and green aventurine in it. Or you could simply use any pen you want and place those crystals on top of your journal when you're done. One of my favorite ways to manifest using journaling is to do the Dear Diary method. Now, this is a method where you write the date 1 year from today at the top of your journal and write Dear Diary on the first line. From there, you're going to describe your day as if your manifestation has already come true and really get into character here. So think about like the nuanced, like really mundane details. What was the first thing you did when you woke up? What did you wear? What did you eat for breakfast? Who did you talk to? What did you talk about? How did you feel? And really visualize that day happening as if your manifestation has already come true and you are talking to your diary 1 year from today. At the end, you are going to sign off, give it a little autograph, and then either pop your crystals on top or simply sit with that energy for a little while longer. I'll leave a link to this crystal pen down below as well in case you want to experiment. The next option is to meditate and do a visualization exercise with your crystals. So this can either be done seated or lying down. If you're sitting, you can simply hold the crystals in your hands. If you're lying down, you could place them anywhere on your body that you feel called to. The first step of this meditation is to get really relaxed, like really sink into the earth, allow your body to become still, let go of any tension within the muscles, and settle into the ebb and flow of your breathing. The more relaxed you can get your physical body, the more you're able to tap into your your subconscious mind, which is really where we're planting the seeds here. If you want to explore a meditation specifically for tapping into the unconscious mind and planting seeds for manifestation, I highly recommend a yoga nidra practice. And if you want to see one on this channel, let me know in the comments below. Now that your body is relaxed and still, start to visualize your manifestation coming true. So in the same way we did the Dear Diary exercise, you're going to experiment with picturing your day from start to finish with your manifestation already true, and really feel that emotion that you're feeling. So when you receive your manifestation, how are you going to feel? What emotions are going to come up? What kind of thoughts are you going to think? And what are you going to feel in your physical body? Bring all of those elements into your meditation. And don't worry about if other thoughts pop into your brain or thoughts of doubt come into your mind. That's not going to harm your meditation. I would recommend doing this more often if you notice those thoughts are really interrupting your flow. The more you do any of these methods, the more effective they're going to be. So I would recommend doing this on a regular basis, maybe first thing when you wake up or right before you fall asleep. The fourth option for manifesting with crystals is to set an intention with them and then either wear them throughout the day or carry them with you. This is a great one to pair with the meditation that you just did, because while you're holding those crystals or placing them on your body, they are infusing with your energy. So after your meditation, go ahead and pop that necklace on or place those crystals in your pocket and wear them throughout the day. When you're carrying crystals and they're a part of your energetic field throughout the day, it's almost like having like a manifestation patch on your skin. Your body's like absorbing that energy and sitting with that intention every time you remember that you have a crystal on. There are tons of other ways to manifest with crystals. These are just the 4 that I love the most and I teach to beginners most often. If you're still feeling a little lost about the basics of how to work with crystals, like how to cleanse them and charge them and take care of them or program them, I would highly recommend checking out my Beginner's Crystal Crash Course below. It has bite-sized pre-recorded modules so that you can really learn and integrate the practice at your own pace. It also includes guided meditations that will help you really connect with the energy in your own body, as well as connecting with your crystals on an individual level, which will help you receive the most benefits. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you are manifesting in the comments below and which one of these techniques you're going to try. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that big red button and I will see you soon. Bye!